guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. For today's look, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this blue glitter eye makeup. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set everything in place with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using my Shop Violet Voss See You Later palette. This is a newer palette, so I just thought that I would use it for today's look. So this is what the palette looks like right here, and I just really wanted to dive into all of the blue shades. So I'm first going into this light blue color right here. And I'm just going to be applying this in my crease and winging out that outer edge because we are doing a cat eye shape. Next, I'm going into my angled brush and this darker blue shade, and I'm just going to be applying a line of definition in the center of my crease and winging out that outer corner, going all the way from the left inner corner to the right outer corner, and then grabbing a small tapered brush and just kind of diffusing that line, and everything really blended nice and softly. And then I just repeated those two steps off camera to get some definition back once we did that blending. Next up, I grabbed an angled brush with my concealer and I'm just carving out my lid, and then I grabbed a smaller compact brush and I'm just pressing some translucent powder over top of that. That way that concealer doesn't blend with the next shades. So I'm going into my flat brush and this light blue metallic color, and I'm just pressing this all over my lid. And then I'm going to be going into the darker blue metallic color in the palette, and I'm just applying this on the outer half of my lid and just kind of blending that into that inner lid as well, lid color. And then I'm grabbing an angled brush and I'm just applying some Shop Violet Voss Siren Fantasy Glitter to my crease. Just peeling off my tape. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. We do still have these currently in stock, very limited quantity, so if you guys want to get your hands on these, we will not be restocking, so definitely check out everything that we still have in stock. Everything is first come, first serve. And then I'm applying some black in my waterline, and then I'm just going into this magenta shade and applying it to my lower lash line. And then grabbing my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara and just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm just applying my Pixie by Petra highlight. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!